About my big baggy corduroy coat. Most people who know me have probably seen me in this coat. It's a staple in my wardrobe and it's amazing. It's big, it's green, thin corduroy with massive pockets. I bought a kilo vintage sale when I was in my first year of uni, 2016 for reference, and I normally wouldn't risk the weight of a coat at a kilo sale, but this was light, which meant it was a bargain for a couple of quid. Once I bought it, it barely came off. Partly because before this I owned maybe 2 coats, but mostly because it was big and green and wonderful. It's not a practical winter coat, I'll give you that. I've frozen a few times wearing it, but it is oversized, which means I can wear layer after layer after layer underneath it, and that is my favourite way to dress, but probably the worst way to dress if you're wearing a pair of dungarees and need a wee, but I digress. It also has giant pockets that I can fit most of my life in. My purse, phone, keys, a book, maybe a snack, all in one pocket. Life-changing. Though this would mean most days after uni fishing out receipts, hairballs, random notes, maybe a food wrapper that I'd absentmindedly stuffed there earlier on in the day. The buttons fell off probably weeks after I first owned it, and I could not tell you now what they look like, probably green and corduroy, but who's to know? I've never missed them or replaced them. I would list all of the places I've been with this coat, all of the things it's seen, but honestly, I think describing my life the last 7 years is a little much to put in one note. And 7 years later, I do own more than 2 coats. I even have coats for different occasions and outfits, so this wonderful piece is one less, but definitely still a wardrobe staple. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this one. P.S. I also think this coat sparks my slight obsession with corduroy / my old brand wardrobe. Before, I only owned a light green baggy shirt that was handed down from my dad, but now almost all my trousers are corduroy, and I often look like I'm cosplaying Toad from Frog and Toad, or if you don't get that reference, someone's very stylish granddad.